channel. So today we are going to learn about blocks, and we have Mr. Derry here who is going to be our teacher. He's going to teach us how to mix and everything. So let's get right into the video.
Good afternoon. As the saying goes, garbage in, garbage out. In the process of making blocks, whatever input that you have must be qualified to be used as a construction material. Here we are at the batching site of Advanced Construction Block Factory, and as you can see, we have a river sand, a quality river sand without any organic particles. So we are going to have a mixture ratio of 1:1:1:1. That is 1 part of cement, 1 part of sand, 1 part of quarry dust, and 1 part of 3/8 chippings. And in these blocks, we call it a concrete block. Unlike the other block that you can find, they call it quarry dust block, which means it's only quarry that they use. This is the secret behind the quality of our blocks. So this sand will fetch, the man have already loaded the cement, that is 1 part. So he will put it in. This is electrically loaded. So he has finished with the cement. Now he's going in for the river sand. You can also use a pitch fan, but the river sand is more quality. So he's fetching 1 part of the river sand. He's going for a part of quarry dust. Now he will fetch the 3/8 chippings. Switch on the diesel. Now mixing have started. It's going to add a sufficient water to improve hydration. That's 1 bucket. So now our mixture is ready to be sent for molding. So we'll go to the inside the factory so that we'll take the mixture to the mold. Here is the point to discharge the mist. Hold it and hold it back. They say what a man can do, a woman can do it better, but let me help her. So this is where we discharge it from the mixture. And this mix go to the vibrator, where it will be vibrated and shaped and molded to
where are you taking?
perfect. Fast. So here it will be fetched into the mold, then vibrated and compacted into the shape of 6 inches hollow. One thing. And this is our 6 inches hollow block. Yeah. So as you can see, these blocks were molded yesterday. And this is 4 inches hollow blocks. Just for the benefit of those who don't know, this block is very good in thermal insulation. Now everybody is talking of global warming. And you can see that we have 2 holes. And each is crossing the other. So when there's a heat transfer here through conduction, then it will come here, and because this is a hollow and it's a vacuum, heat cannot travel through conduction. So conduction will cease. And because it's a vacuum, it cannot travel through convection. So here, this one will end there so that the inside will be a much cooler in terms of heating, and this will actually reduce a bit of your cooling costs. So this is a 4 inches hollow blocks molded yesterday, and it is ready. By 7 days time, it can be used. But if you want to use it today without loading, you can use it. And this is today production. So you can see that good material in, good product out. Thank you very much.
This is the end of the video. What a wonderful session we had. Finally, my helmet is here, so now I can work very hard. I can push the wheelbarrow and all. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!